The idea is that we can teach kids to behave in different environments at different times when they should and how things change. We know you behave differently at a grocery store than you do at a five-star restaurant, than you do at a public conference, than you do when you're out watching the fireworks or when you're just home watching TV. See, it's all about the environment and what our expectations are very clear. And if our expectations are very clear and they're very predictable and we're using common language, then our kids will be able to come in the morning and say, I'm not at my house anymore. I'm in school, and this is how I behave. If you behave differently at work than you do at home, why is that? Who taught you that? Someone said the word expectations. The expectations were clear. You knew how to behave at work. You know how to behave at work. Well, some of us know how to behave, but we do hear stories, don't we?